Hi everyone, and welcome back to Battle of the Stitches. If you've been following along this month, today is our February reveal, and I'm so excited to finally share what we created using the cross hatch shells stitch. Each month in Battle of the Stitches, we all start with the same stitch and design completely different projects from it. For February, we worked stitch number 27 in our stitch book, which is the cross hatch shells stitch. I have to say that slowly. I keep messing it up. And I can't wait to see all the different ways it was used. In my full tutorial, which you can watch after this video, I'll show you how I turn this stitch into a cozy turtleneck scarf. You can see that there's a turtleneck part and the scarf is actually attached to the turtleneck part, so you don't have to deal with different pieces. You can just put it on and then wrap it around you. I'll show you really quick. Now is the fun part, voting. I posted a voting poll where you can vote for your favorite project from this month's participants. After you vote, leave a comment on the voting poll. You can just put the word voted if you want. One winner will be chosen and get to pick which creator's project they'd like to receive. Just a reminder, I won't have a regular video here next Wednesday. Instead, we'll be going live on Teresa's channel, Critters Crochet, where we'll announce the winner and draw the giveaway live. Make sure you check out the voting poll, watch the full tutorial, and come and join us in Battle of the Stitches Facebook group listed below if you haven't already. Thank you so much for being part of Battle of the Stitches this month. I'll see you in the next tutorial, and then next week I'll see you on the live on Critters Crochet.